something incredible has just happened. It started as a rumor, strange lights in the remote Yukon, dismissed as folklore or tricks of the aurora, but the whispers grew, and soon the world was watching Canada. Reports came from indigenous communities, bush pilots and Arctic scientists, a soft, pulsating glow from deep underground. This wasn't the aurora, it was something new, concentrated, stable, and coming from the Earth itself. The Canadian government sent a team to investigate. The world held its breath. News outlets speculated wildly. Was it a hoax? A breakthrough? The scientific community scrambled for answers. Then, the official announcement: Canada had discovered a new, clean, limitless energy source. Not fossil fuel, not nuclear. Something entirely new. A crystalline geological formation generating massive energy with zero emissions. The implications were staggering. In a world desperate for solutions to climate change, this was a lifeline. The quiet whisper from the north became a global roar. Stock markets for traditional energy companies plummeted. Social media exploded with excitement, skepticism, and disbelief. Governments demanded answers and access. Overnight, Canada was thrust into a position of immense power and responsibility. The nation known for politeness now held a key to humanity's future. The story of what emerged from the frozen Canadian wilderness is one that will define our time. The world's reaction was immediate and explosive. The Prime Minister, flanked by scientists and military officials, confirmed the unbelievable. The discovery was made public on September 22, 2025. The world is now paying close attention. Canada, a nation known for its calm demeanor and vast, quiet landscapes, has suddenly become the epicenter of a global phenomenon. Everyone is asking the same question: what is happening up there? The Genesis Project is the answer, and it's only the beginning. The discovery is called the Genesis Project. Deep beneath the Yukon lies a vast network of sonoluminescent quartz crystals. These crystals resonate with the Earth's natural seismic vibrations, creating a stable, powerful energy field. Imagine a planetary-scale battery, recharging itself endlessly. The formation spans over 500 square kilometers, reaching depths once thought inert. Early estimates say it could power all of North America, cleanly, with no emissions or waste. The energy is harnessed by drilling conductive rods into the ground, drawing power with remarkable efficiency. This isn't extraction, it's attunement to the Earth's rhythm. The discovery was made by a University of Toronto team studying seismic anomalies. At first, they thought it was a malfunction, but repeated tests confirmed the impossible. Dr. Eris Thorne, lead geophysicist, called it terrifying and beautiful. The technology is new, but the principles are clear. The Genesis Project is a fundamental shift in how we think about energy. It's not about burning or depleting resources, it's about listening to the planet and learning to harness its natural processes. This is a scientific marvel that turns our understanding of geology and physics on its head. The world is only beginning to grasp its potential. Across Canada, the Genesis Project has sparked shock, pride, and unity. Disbelief quickly turned to awe as the evidence mounted. Canadians gathered everywhere, sharing a sense of purpose not felt in generations. School children are learning about the crystals. University students are flocking to science. Banners read, "The future is Canadian, but pride is tempered with caution." How do we protect the Arctic? How do we ensure the benefits are shared? Indigenous leaders demand a central role, reminding everyone this is their ancestral land. The government promises the Genesis Project will benefit all Canadians and the world. For many, this is more than clean energy. It's hope for a better, sustainable future. The world suddenly looks brighter. The world's reaction has been seismic. Leaders everywhere issued statements, congratulations, caution, and urgent requests for information. Social media exploded, #Genesis Project trended worldwide. The discovery has inspired art, music, and a sense of collective wonder. Skepticism remains. Energy corporations urge caution, and conspiracy theories abound. Developing nations see hope, a chance to leapfrog into a clean energy future. They call for equitable sharing of the technology. The Genesis Project is a symbol of global hope and a reminder of deep inequalities. The world is watching and waiting. The Genesis Project's true power lies in its human story. A small team of university scientists, driven by curiosity, made the discovery. Local indigenous communities, especially the Trondek-Wet'suwet'en First Nation, provided the first clues and vital guidance. Their partnership set a precedent for collaboration between science and traditional knowledge. Around the world, people share stories of hope. A teacher in India, a firefighter in Australia. This isn't just about technology, it's about relief, optimism, and a new relationship with the planet. The Genesis Project challenges us to move from extraction to harmony. It's a collective awakening to what's possible when we listen to the Earth. The human element is about all of us, it's about our shared future. The Genesis Project will reshape every aspect of modern life. Clean, limitless energy will upend the fossil fuel industry and redraw the geopolitical map. Nations built on oil face crisis, others find new independence. The environmental impact is profound, real hope for halting and even reversing climate change. Zero-emission energy could heal the planet, restore ecosystems, and stabilize weather. Energy poverty could end. Every village could have reliable power. This could revolutionize education, healthcare, and opportunity for billions. But the transition will be disruptive, economically and socially. There's risk hoarding, weaponization, inequality. The world must create a framework for sharing this gift responsibly. The Genesis Project is a test of our wisdom. Its true importance lies in the choices we make. We stand at a crossroads. The Genesis Project is more than a breakthrough, it's a turning point. It teaches humility. The Earth holds secrets we're only beginning to understand. It inspires hope and proves human ingenuity can overcome daunting challenges. This is a call to unity, beyond borders for a shared planet. The path forward won't be easy, but for the first time in a long time, it's illuminated. The future is about coexistence, not conquest. This is a human inheritance, not just a Canadian treasure. A new dawn is broken, offering hope to the entire world.